Today's teacher shall be here with a video to practice questions to get to know someone. Yes? Let's get acquainted. Okay? I have 10 questions for you. Number 1, where are you from? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? I'm from the US. Or, what's your nationality? What's your nationality? ¿Cuál es tu nacionalidad? What's your nationality? I'm American. When did you get here to the US? When did you get here? ¿Cuándo llegó aquí? ¿Cuándo llegaste aquí? ¿Cuándo? When did you get here? Or, how long have you been here? How long have you been here in Utah, por ejemplo? For example, how long have you been here? ¿Cuánto tiempo llevas aquí? I've been in Utah for 6 years. I've been here in Utah for 6 years. I've been in the US my whole life, my entire life. Okay, number 3. What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak? ¿Qué idiomas hablas? What languages do you speak? I speak English and Español, Spanglish. I speak 2 languages. Are you married or single? Are you married or single? ¿Estás casado o soltero? Are you married or single? I'm married. What did you do before? ¿A qué te dedicabas antes? Right? What did you do before? Your job. What did you do before? I was an administrator. I was an administrator. And what do you do now? What do you do now? ¿A qué te dedicas ahora? What do you do now? Now I'm a teacher. Tell me about your family. Háblame de tu familia. Tell me about your family. Who is in your family? Who is in your family? ¿Quién forma parte de tu familia? Who is in your family? I have my mom, my dad, 2 brothers, and me. I have a husband and a cat named Ranger. All right, what are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? ¿Cuáles son tus hobbies? Tus pasatiempos? What are your hobbies? My hobbies are skiing, gardening, and reading. Yeah, those are my hobbies. What are your hobbies? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? ¿Cuál es tu comida favorita? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is anything chocolate. Everything with chocolate is my favorite. What is your favorite food? And the last question, la última pregunta, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? When's your birthday? My birthday is September 28th. When is yours? All right, about 10 questions to get to know someone. Go out and practice them today. I'll see you later.